Mo say ye come na dey supporting Nana. Not just send this for man hwe me yi ana munza. Say ye come and to kwa makwa mamu. Na come de me a. Na just man hwe me yi no no. Man hwe me yi no no. What you say? Aha. Say ye come and up the akwa NPP dia. Na just a moment me anhwe me. Ya wo me sika wo mo hu nyina no. Want bi ana me hui. Ai, enti mo fo mo sika nko ma apia stadium. Ono na timi so mo flag bearer ti no de nam wiase. Eya force. Many mo tantan me se me de akwa MPP. Omo so omo de omo sam yenu nyina agye me. Mo ma me fa many tantan nko. Aden. Mo ready kwasi bodwe report na na. Ah, enya mo na mo se celebrities a ye be support mo no. Enu nti na mo reye. Na ya atwe mo ho mo wini so amode mani bere ba me so. Me I can't come no to your level. Oh. I no go do again, no be by force. I no go do again, no be by force. Who tell they may come? Me, man campaign near my NPP. But NPP by power no. Or my family near Juma, of Flagstaff House. Man campaign am I. I campaigned against the NPP government. But by power no. They have employed my brother in the Jubilee House. So if you have a problem with where I stand in this year's election, me pacho pick a phone and call God. Do you understand what I'm saying? You didn't create me. You are not the reason why I'm famous. You can't tell me what to choose. And for the love of God, me vote here back. Go to school and learn common sense. It's not by force. Me pacho me who time 2016. Na me who time change say. 2016. Na me niya say. Wo de nsu ankoro gu wa na ye. Enso me de campaign mamo. En me nim tan me ya ma de say me be campaign mamo. En ka be soa me World Cup. Me say I did not campaign for the NPP. But when they came to power, they employed my blood brother Oye Juma. Jubilee House. Go and find out. So, if I am hungry, honorable, mona mama come de me. I am one. Me de mo 5 years na come de me ni me movie on. Will that be a problem? Will that be a problem? Will that be a problem? If I'm a hungry celebrity, more NDC for and mama making me hungry celebrity. Me di mo chino. Na me ye juma with despite group of companies. Near to make 10,000 a month. You want to bring yourself, eh? You want to bring yourself. You are not enjoying my silence, eh? NDC, do you want to do it with me? Huh? I am quiet. I am respecting people that are talking to me. You understand? A lot of people of people with dignity are speaking to me. And that's why I'm keeping quiet. I said, if I am hungry because of the NDC. Aren't you ashamed? Aren't you ashamed that the 5 years that I spent with you people, I've got nothing to boast of it? Nothing. More check contracts, my man, more money be. Ah? More check contracts, my man, more money be. Ah? Me di mo chino me nya juma na. Nobody. And you see, me, I don't even read comments. So I don't care about. Mo was scam over come up here stadium. On the number of sumo flag bearer tea. Don't bring yourself. Do not. Nobody. Some of who soldiers and kwasi afọ no me page no. Me who ompo. Me se many mo tantan no. Me the campaign for NDC. And I don't remember saying anything wrong against anybody. When Abroquah circulated my Ghana, Mumbusa said, NDC ni bang, and a far phone frame. Mokasa me baby asimamo. Momokasa me baby asimamo. I will say it again. If I am hungry, who made me hungry? NDC. And a man called me Demi. Because that's why gave me 3 billion to work for him. NDC. Now, Mama Juma bomb me. Bring yourself here. Let me show you the word Shimi Chamo. Me say my name on the time pa. And now I'm one better time NDC. Afi na mo yefe. Me di mo achi no, me be ya sagna to pa na ma fon na come deme. Na me kunkwasi antokwa ni e cheska ma. Obi fa no homra. Obi fa no homra no pay. Na me tete man who said husband. We did trust what it. Me this here. Bring yourself again. Mo was car mo fama apia stadium. Mo was car mo fama apia stadium. Mo fama apia stadium. Why? No nama no swa or sumo. Mo de master mo ba me so. Mo de master ba me so. Why you know the people that said we celebrities mo amubebu o my 4 years. And then mo na mo lose election. I yes celebrities are yeah the bad 3 months and not 1 year. A campaign mamu, yeah the mamu lose election. Yeah mamu lose election. Mon call assembly with Jimmy no. Or be fan homra. When it comes to trading of and crossism, the headquarters here, I am comporting myself because I've had mature people, intelligent people talking to my brains. Me say if I am hungry, and this made me hungry. Say commenting no akwa NPP. Then can we offense on? And can you offense? Say me young kwasi adwuma ma mo na comment me. And can you offense? Ah? And this ni ba na ni bibi won ho. Amra no meje. Amfa ka amra no meje. Mo ka say be wiase ma mo. Me be wiase ma mo. Me be wiase ma mo. My D because I don't want to talk. And I said it. I don't want any sleepy on the home baby. I will face you boot for boot. One promo damn. I brought circulate you even and this man of Afumusa said I want to say. Who tried it? Ah? Part of the Diana Mocha cast for me. Mamon Sahodi Mamin come on to Dina Mayano. Mamon Sahodi Mamin come on to I'm 34% to say because 44% munya. And the 34 say 35 no. Me say my me Twitter homini account. What they make call capital and pay. And I haven't drop comments na my kind. May call my family home. May call my office. May call here Juma. So the jobless people, I have said my mind. Ma come out here then. Actually, what's the best American? Many tiny come in a drabo so many tiny come in a motuase. Now me young kwasia campaign. I not go do again, oh Tom. Mesa I do cry and hofe. Mesa Katia. Mensa Dre. Mesa Katia. It didn't stop me from acquiring properties. It didn't stop me from having children. Huh? And I mean so fear. Who swami woti. Maybe I'm Jimmy. That is why I told all of you that we should respect ourselves. That's a Muslim ya mua. Matchamu baby a keji mua. Obi fana sam mami su biem. Obi fana sam mami su biem. Enti na msimi ndi mwachi biem no. Waka sam pa mo aboa na chi na de ba yo. I said I campaigned against the NPP. And watching na no, they didn't stop them from putting food on my family table. My brother works in the Jubilee House.